Welcome back to iMapInvasives. This short tutorial will show you how to view invasive species map data. After logging into iMapInvasives, you should see a map of North America with hexagons filled with orange circles. Each hex represents an area in which invasive species has been reported, and each circle corresponds to the number of reports within that hex. The more the reports, the larger the circles, which you can see in the legend on the right-hand side. Let's say that you want to view all of the confirmed Tree of Heaven records in New York State. You want to start by going to your Filter Records button in your Action Tools. And you can navigate to Species Name, and you can look through the drop-down menu, but it is much easier to type it in. And click on it. And you can confirm the scientific name here. We want to find all of the confirmed Tree of Heaven in New York, so we'll navigate to Jurisdiction and type in New York. You can hit Apply and close out that window. You should see that the hexagons everywhere but New York have disappeared, and you can zoom in by using the scroll on the mouse or the plus sign in the navigation tools. It might take a couple seconds to load, but once it does, you should see the range of confirmed Tree of Heaven records in New York State. If you want to view different types of data, you can go to the Geographic Layers menu and click on Layers On/Off. This will toggle the different types of records. Unconfirmed are any records uploaded but not yet confirmed by an expert, and this will show up as pink. The not detected records are any areas in which a person has searched for a Tree of Heaven and did not find any. You can also look at approximate present species and treatment data. If you want to see what's around your current location, you can click Find My Location in the navigation tools, and it should zoom right there as long as your location settings are on. If you want to search for a specific address, place, or GPS coordinate, go to the Search on Map icon with the magnifying glass, and you can type anything you would like in there. Make sure that you click on the right one, and it should bring you right there. If you want to zoom out a little bit, use the scroll on the mouse. You can click on any point or polygon to find out more information about it. The one that you clicked on will show up as a blue highlight, and any others are just nearby points that were included in your selection. You can click on Details to find out more information about the record. If you want to know how many points are within a certain area, you can click on Identify and Measure, and click on Area, and place some points around the records that you'd like to identify. Double-click the last point to end the polygon, and you'll see this blue highlighted shape. You can click on See What's Here, and it'll bring up a menu with all of the points that are within that area. We encourage you to explore the distributions of other tracked species, as well as the many tools that iMapInvasives has to offer. Happy mapping!